my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create this elegant but super easy and quick hairstyle that you can do in minutes. So we'll begin with brushing our hair backwards and selecting our top section, and we'll make with it a ponytail. I leave some hair out as always to frame my face, but this is optional. Then you want to make another ponytail right below first one. And then with the rest we want to make our third ponytail. Now, grabbing our first ponytail, we want to divide it into two, twist each strand one way like that, and then twist them around each other opposite way. So you want to continue these steps over and over again, and then you want to loosen a bit your created raw braid, and again you want to continue and tie it using a clear elastic to prevent it from unraveling, and you want to loosen it again. So we want to repeat these steps with all our ponytails. When our raw braids are ready, we want to grab our first one, bring it to one side and pin it in place, wrapping it around our ponytails, and then you want to tuck it into the second ponytail. If your hair is longer, you want to wrap it one more time around the ponytails. Then you want to grab our second ponytail and wrap it to the same side. Then grabbing third ponytail, we want to wrap it upward on opposite side of our created bun like I'm showing. Also, you want to hide our ends inside of our created bun, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this versatile, elegant updo. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon with a new hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!